Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will help you to cancel your T-Mobile phone plan. So first of all, you need to navigate to the T-Mobile official website. Under my account, press login. After that, I will give you a set of instructions what to do. Okay, now as you can see we have a page here with contact numbers, because something you will have to do is you will need to call a T-Mobile customer service. So it's going to be 611 from your T-Mobile phone, or call a specific number that is listed in this page. You can also initiate a chat through the T-Mobile website or app. You can also visit a T-Mobile store if you prefer face-to-face interaction. And after that, to request a cancel, inform a representative that you want to cancel your plan. Be, of course, prepared to provide your account information, such as your phone number and your account PIN or password. After that, confirm details, date you want the service to be cancelled, ask about any potential early termination fees or remaining balances on your account. After that, you will receive a final bill which may include any remaining balances, fees or prorated charges. Also, to keep records, make sure to get a confirmation number or email to verify that your cancellation request was processed. And of course, it's a good idea to check the terms and conditions of your specific plan for any additional details. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.